Today we're doing an open box, and Abel is going to open it up and see what we got inside. I'm going to give him a little bit of help. Alright, check and see what's inside, Abel.
Another box. Another heavy box. Whoa.
Whoa.
This is a heavy box.
Alright. I'm going to pause it. Alright, we're back. We got scissors. This could be the longest unboxing ever. Pull real hard. There you go. Ooh, we got new trucks.
Some open. Another one. Oh, another big one.
Another big one here, huh? So we got the chrome ones instead of the black ones like we've been getting.
One.
Oh, what color is that?
Blue.
Show them to me. Are they see-through?
They're blue.
Yeah.
They're just like these ones. They're the same.
Cool.
I need this more. There's still more.
There's still more.
And still more wheels. I need this box.
All right. Say bye to YouTube.